question number 15, we are given two lists and we have to match them. Now the first one is we have to find number of solutions of cos x plus sin x equals 1 in the interval minus 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Now we'll multiply everything with 1 by root 2. Now this is cos x minus pi by 4 and it will be equal to cos pi by 4. So we'll get x minus pi by 4 equals 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4. We'll get two cases, either x equals 2n pi or x equals 2n pi plus pi by 2. Now we need to find values of x which lie in this interval. Now for this one, the only value is n equals 0, for which we'll get x equals 0, and here if we put n equals 0, we'll get x as pi by 2, and for all other values it will be either less than minus 2 pi by 3 or greater than 2 pi by 3. That means this first condition has only two elements. So this first, it matches with P. Now we look at the second one. Now for the second one, we'll get tan 3x equals 1 by root 3, which is 10 pi by 6. Now this 3x is n pi plus pi by 6, which is 6n plus 1 pi by 6, or simply x is 6n plus 1 into pi by 18, and we have to find this value in the interval minus 5 by 18 to plus 5 pi by 18. Now one of the values, if we put n as 0, we'll get this as pi by 18. Now if we put n as 1, it will be greater than 5 pi by 18, and if we put n as minus 1, we'll get this as minus 5 pi by 18. So here also we have two values. So this second one, it also matches with P. So first matches with P and second matches with P. This is this option B. Now if we look at this third one is cos 2x equals root 3 by 2. Now this is cos pi by 6. So it will be 2x equals 2n pi plus minus pi by 6, or x equals n pi plus minus pi by 12. Now we need to find it in the interval minus 6 pi by 5 to plus 6 pi by 5. Now if we put n as 0, we'll get x as plus minus pi by 12. If we put n as 1, we'll get x as pi plus minus pi by 12. Now this is 11 pi by 12 and 13 pi by 12. Now basically 13 by 12 is less than 6 by 5. So we have these two values. So we have these two and these two values. And if we put n as 2, then it will be obviously greater than 6 pi by 5. Now if we put n as minus 1, then it will be minus pi plus minus pi by 12, which again will lie in this interval. So here we have 6 values. So this third one, it matches with T. So this third, it matches with T. And finally we have sin x minus cos x equals 1. Now sin x minus cos x equals 1. Now again we'll multiply and divide everything with 1 by root 2. Now here this is cos x plus pi by 4, and this is equal to minus 1 by root 2, which is cos 3 pi by 4. So we write x plus pi by 4 equals 2n pi plus minus 3 pi by 4, or we can write x as 2n pi plus pi by 2, or x is 2n plus 1 pi. Now we have to find it in the interval minus 7 pi by 4 to plus 7 pi by 4. Now here if we put n as 0, we'll get one value as pi by 2. If we put n as 1, it will be greater than 7 pi by 4. Now if we put n as minus 1, we'll get minus 3 pi by 2. And here if we put n as 0, we'll get this as pi, and n as minus 1 is minus pi. So we'll get 4 values in this interval. So this fourth one, it has 4 elements. So this fourth, it matches with R, and that's your option B.